So I'm really excited to launch our Future Leaders Academy. This is a new programme of work that I'm taking forward as the Future Generations Commissioner for Wales, identifying those people between 18 to 30 in Wales who are going to be our future leaders, and identifying the sorts of skills, experiences and backgrounds that they need to bring to leadership here in Wales. We've seen through a number of the issues that we're dealing with at the moment, the climate crisis, whether our education system is equipping young people with the skills they need for the future, whether our democratic system is fit for the future. The fact that current leaders perhaps need some help to get some of those things right for the future. And I think that our future leaders that we've identified through a range of partners are really going to help us provide part of that solution.
Being a leader is quite a selfless act. You're there to push or take the responsibility of the people around you and channel that and make it into appropriate decisions, strategy, or even implementing a brand new thing that will benefit hundreds to thousands to even, you never know, millions. So that for me is just outstanding. I don't know, I couldn't ask for more.
I'm really excited to be part of the Future Generations Leadership Academy to make a change and difference for the future in Wales, not just for myself but for the children and my future grandchildren, because the way we've been doing things at the moment clearly aren't working, and I want to be part of that leadership to drive to make Wales a better place for now and for the future.
Well, I feel very proud and very blessed to be part of the Future Generations Leadership Academy. It's been an excellent opportunity to learn all different types of skills and become involved with discussions and to meet others who are similarly interested from across Wales. I have passion for the environment and for conservation. Clearly it's part of the discussion at the moment, but it always hasn't been. But what I'd really like to do is be able to progress small projects around Wales and really bring communities together to understand the advantages and the benefits of being out in the countryside and protecting what we have here in Wales.
The idea is that we work with 20 future leaders. We put them through an intensive programme of skills development. We set them a big challenge they need to work on together. We pair them with different organisations, and we put in place some reverse mentoring arrangements so that our future leaders are going to provide mentoring to current leaders to help them think about different perspectives of young people and future generations. And I think that this has a huge amount of potential to be a game changer in terms of how our current leaders think about doing things in a way which will be fit for the future.
It's a massive sense of pride to be part of a project like this. So I think out of this I would just really like to be able to create a lot more opportunities for young people, like workshops and stuff. And yeah, just show young people that they do matter and their opinions do matter, and it doesn't matter where you come from, whether you're working class, male, female, it doesn't matter, you can do whatever you want. And it's good to be given that platform to be able to sort of push that.
I'm really excited about the talent that is already coming into this Leadership Academy. We want these 20 participants in Wales to be the first cohort demonstrating how leadership in Wales for the future is done.